All right, this is Rob with Reyff Designs again, and we're going to be talking about the 511 holster pouch and how I'm going to put this in my saddlebag. All right, so I bought a 511 holster pouch. I like this design because, one, you could take it off. Two, if I want to remove this later on, I can remove it later on. And it seems pretty sturdy. So the other thing I had to buy is, I bought this from Lowe's. I'm sure you can buy it from Amazon or whatever. But supposedly this is industrial strength. And we're going to test it out. Basically, I need the fuzzy side. And we're going to cut strips on here and then put it on the bike. All right, so with this 511, this is a two-piece. Actually, it's a three-piece. It's got the piece that we're going to use to mount onto the saddlebag, the inside of the saddlebag. It has an adjustable, I think it's called latch. And the thing about this thing is, like I said, I tried to go out there and buy another one of these, and they didn't have this style. So if you see it and you like it, you might want to pick it up. I've been finding that quite a bit with Kariakin and other manufacturers, but this will go in here like so. I can adjust my straps. Say if I'm going into a casino or something of the sort. All right, it's fully locked in. This will strap into the saddlebag, and it's a pretty good little kit. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm actually gonna swap these around because I am going to mount it. Actually, I want to mount like this. The button's a nice little button on here. Holds the gun. This is a P365, so it's an actually nice little small compact gun. So with this, I want super strength. Yeah, I don't see this ever coming off. Now we'll just cut our strips, line these up. Nothing too special about this. I'm probably going to try to put 4 of these on here. Actually, I can only put 3 of them on there. That should be more than enough. It should stick. Again, this is the industrial strength Velcro. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mount these in here. All right, next we'll go to the saddlebag, and we'll get all this lined out and go from there. Ready? All right, guys, this is a 2022 Indian Pursuit, and I'm going to go ahead and mount the gun bracket, I guess, if you want to call it that. And so I've kind of already pre-positioned this a few times, trying to think about how I want to have it in here. I'm going to have it lower. Again, you can always take these off, reposition it, and maybe position it somewhere else that you like. But for me, I think I like it where I want the padding right here. It's the flattest surface. And again, I can reposition my handgun anywhere I need to. All right. Since I like this line right here, it's easy. I'll just kind of line it up the best I can. And we'll push on the sticky. And then put the handgun right there. Comes out pretty nice and neat. Again, if I want to reposition this, you know, if I like it better, which is a really cool thing for it, this holster only costs $22. If I don't like that positioning, I can just reposition it if I like it. Holy cow, is that strong? Boom, right there. It's going to shake and won't move, and get right back at it easy. And then it's safely carried, right? So I saw another YouTuber put one of these in, and I thought, man, what a great idea. And you don't even have to strap that in or button that in. Anyways, also, if you want to, you could also just take it out. That double-sided tape right there is so strong, it ain't going to be, it's never going to move until you try to really move it. So that's my little trick for Saddlebag. And then you can still put all your gear around it. You could conceal it with your gear. And I just think it's a great little add-on. One last thing I did want to mention are, this is again from 511. It's the holster pouch, adjustable hook and loop platform. They do have a couple on their website, but this one, I think the number is 59002. But I will put a link down below for it. And again, I think it's a great little piece. And it can carry many different types of handguns. It's pretty versatile in that retrospect because you can change your Velcro piece that can strap around the backside. So hopefully this helps. If you do carry, or you're on long trips, you need to have a handgun with you, then this might be a great thing for you. So again, this is Reyff Designs, and I hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe and like.